Alright, we just got done taking over this CTS area, and then we have some more antennas to go get and everything. Let's see. Campaign. Oh, we can fast travel.
There's got to be a way through this. Damien's all ego. He needs this victory. I'll give it to him. I'll find that second hacker and you'll let Nikki go.
Okay, if he's gonna let her go, then that'll be good, right?
Doesn't matter. Right now, I got no other option. Son of a bitch. Fucking Murloc job. All right, Damien. Let's see if there's something you missed.
Always.
Right there.
Always something you missed.
Damn it.
What the? Hey, it's me. You called me here.
Shit. Have a lot on my mind.
Yeah?
Okay, come here. Take a look at this.
Who is she?
I don't know. The file's corrupt. You have any ideas how to make the video play?
This isn't fixable. You need the original.
I'm running a search on your CTOS access.
That's what I wanted to talk to you about.
See, I don't think he knows about this. He would have bragged. I know him.
Who would have bragged?
She might be a lead. Or not. Gotta stay a step ahead of him.
Are you in trouble? An IP address.
Yeah, he gave that to me. Can you find where that leads?
What is all of this? Aiden, answer me. I'm not doing anything until...
He took her, Clara. He's using my sister as collateral.
Oh my god. The man we traced?
Yeah. Damien Brinks.
I can't help you. I'm gonna go. We'll talk later, right? After you're done.
Shh. Come here.
What's happening?
Cover your ears.
Where's your car?
This way! Over there! Stop it!
They're not seriously powerful people.
Every available backup.
Target 5 location. Under fire!
We're here.
Oh.
You need help? We could use some help. Backup is here.
Look! The street! They're coming through the front!
Got them all?
Cameras will help me here. Gun's all I need. Jesus, grenade! Keep moving. Almost there.
Tabarnak, Charlie's sorti!
There we go. Oh my gosh, I didn't hit him in the head. Got him.
This way.
Okay, alright, let's go. Oh, I need to pick that up.
Send extra help.
What do they want? Who are they?
Backup units on site.
It's gotta be the search I ran for the ID. What the hell they hit on? Just stay low. I'll get us out. It's closing in. Go now.
Okay. Got him.
Go. Get in the car. I'll finish here. What are you doing? Just go.
They're going to trap us.
Oh, I made it through that whole thing and then I died. This is the first game I've played like this, so I mean, I am gonna have a little bit of trouble.
Okay, go
I didn't know it
now.
was gonna be this much trouble. Okay, am I done now? There we go. Okay. I just had to finish that. That's insane. Let's go to. If this doesn't immediately put me into another mission, would like to
Clara.
complete this, whatever this is. Oh, the QR square.
Are you okay?
Of course I'm not okay. God. Who are you?
I don't know how to answer that.
I know a place where we can talk. Here.
Okay, so she gave me another thing. I need to hack this guy.
The TV is reporting a fire at the Alamo Motel. You can't just check out like everyone else?
When have I ever done like everyone else?
Are we bantering? It's been so long I'm tongue-tied.
Savor it, because you're not going to see it again. Lost my network. I need some equipment.
Not my concern.
Wonder.
You didn't want to work as a team. This is your problem. You figure it out. But do it quick. I need your head in the game. Hey, sweetheart. Your brother wants to talk.
Aiden? Jax, is my baby okay?
He's safe. Where are you?
I don't know. It's cold. I was blindfolded the whole way. I'm scared, Aiden.
I know you are, and I'm getting you out. Look, I know Damien. He's not crazy. He won't hurt you. Just be careful around him.
What do you mean you know him? He kidnapped me.
He's trying to get to me through you.
What?
Time's up. My God, what did you say to her? The poor girl's in tears.
Damien, put her back on.
You want to continue this little chat? You follow that IP address and get me something I can use. Ta-ta.
All right, she's safe. For now. She's somewhere cold. Maybe outdoors. I'll keep her talking and maybe I can find where she is.
Yeah, I'm not seeming to find it. Hack that guy. Get another song. Yeah, I'm not understanding how to do the QR one. But that's fine. I will just go to the campaign. There's another QR code right there. An investigation. Oh, okay. Let's see. Okay, that's business. convoy. Oh. So you can just be set up. I am definitely going to get one of those grenade launchers, though. I need some focus, too. Let's look at the skill tree. Alright, I can get a transformer explosion. Disable call, another battery, all of that. Okay, let's see. Driving, off-road. This one's escape artist, okay. That one should be pretty good. IED, I'm gonna need that eventually. I think I'm going to just get the improved focus. Because it's the right stick, okay. There we go. And then quick switch, steady aim. Ooh. I need takedown enforcer too. Oh, you can also get armor. Alright, let's see. Progression. Yeah, I'm still working through everything. Oh, dude, wait a minute. There's all kinds of stuff to collect in this game. I got all 10 of the audio logs. What does that give me? That and XP bonus whenever I collect one. Okay. Okay. Alright. Let's just go. Figure this out together, I guess. Of what's really going on. What if his sister's the mastermind? You ever think about that? That would be very, very inconvenient. That your sister's the mastermind that set you up. Almost got you thrown in jail. Well, I guess it would. And it got her daughter killed. Yeah. Should be one of those. I did it for the better cause. Kind of shit.
In other news, a malfunctioning set of traffic lights is said to have caused a multi-car pileup that disrupted traffic today. We'll be talking with the city planner about the incident.
Where's that at? That's right there. I do need more reputation, but I'm right here. I am right here. So. Shit. That is if I can drive. Okay. So we're headed to the campaign. We're gonna finish this mission. I will try not to take 3 times to beat the mission this time. Couldn't I have just drove straight? What happened? I think I could have drove straight and managed to drive around it or something. But there we go. Okay. 1 foot in the
Just
grave.
lost everything. My hard drives, my network access. All right, I need to came back online. Where's Clara? Be careful, Aiden. Don't pull her into this.
Here.
Thanks.
Those men. Who are they?
I don't know. Yeah, they must have picked up on the CTOS search.
That's why I wanted to see you. DedSec says that someone else has the system hacked. I took it, and I gave it to you.
Now, hold on. I didn't give it to anyone. I wouldn't.
We need to trust each other.
You know what? I don't have time to soothe you, Clara. If you don't trust me, there's nothing I can do. Someone shot up my motel room. My sister's gone, and I have nothing. You are not my priority right now.
No, I know that. Of course. Do you know this place? Somewhere near here. It's supposed to be the first test site for CTOS. It is known as the bunker. At least, that's how the urban legend goes.
The bunker? One with access to the entire city?
Undetected access. I've done months of research on it. City planning, zoning documents, things they don't want us to see. There's a blank spot on every map. Right over there. Ish. And you've lost your damage deposit on a motel.
That's fine.
She gonna be our
We
girlfriend
need
by
to
the
find
end
a
of
way
this or
inside
something?
that bunker. Undetected access to the whole city. I could use a break right now.
No, I was getting ready to say, like, what does it mean, DedSec?
Who are you? If you can do that, you may be my way in. Tobias Frewer. Well, somebody's been on that island recently. His name's Tobias Frewer.
Tobias was one of the CTOS pioneers until Bloom fired him. The man is vraiment crazy. Or on drugs. Maybe both. He lives right near here. There's a homeless camp.
He's homeless?
He's got an underground shop hidden in there. DedSec goes there for some of the more rare hardware. You can't forget him. He's paranoid and won't talk.
I can be persuasive.
I'll let you do the talking.
You really want this place to be real, don't you?
It is real.
So you're buying into the legend.
Papa used to take me camping in Mont Tremblant. He'd always say we were looking for treasure. I didn't understand then that he was stealing from the cabins. Gold watches, tools. The look on his face when it was something special. Like one time, I found an old rusted coin with a regal emperor. He said it was an ancient Roman coin. Priceless. But he let me keep it. Said it was my door to a magic world, the whole Roman Empire. I guess I am my father's daughter. Stars in my eyes.
Well, I hope this bunker's real too.
It's real.
A gang shootout erupted at the Owl Motel earlier, resulting in a gas main explosion. No reports on casualties. Police are investigating.
There.
Officials say thanks to the
That's where
rapid
Tobias runs his
CTOS
shop.
network, police were
Mostly
able
black
to
market
trace
junk.
within minutes.
Sometimes you can find rare schematics, if you're lucky. He's not there. What now?
Someone here knows how to reach him. I'm gonna have a look around.
I don't know, did you see that?
A lot
It
of
was...
tech for a place like this.
What is it? I'm in the middle of a poker game. There's somebody at your shop.
He's playing poker. I'll get them to deal me in. Poker game, huh? Let's see where you're hiding. There we go.
Oh. Oh, that's the poker match it said to
Hold
play.
on, what's this? Someone else is tracking the call. It's gotta be fixers.
Hey, you're not gonna believe this. I finally got a lock on Frewer. I'm going to pick him up now.
There they are. They'll hunt him down fast. I need to stop them.
Oh, so you give me a piece of crap car? Oh, but it's loud. Oh, it's a newer car. Okay.
You were right. He's paranoid. But I found him.
You want to go along, don't you? All right. I'll meet you at the island.
Okay. What the You give me the crappiest car that has no steering. Alright, there we go.
I need backup.
Oh my gosh, you immediately called somebody?
Drive him off the road. Go. Ram him.
Why is he... What?
Force him off the road.
Okay, hold on. I gotta restart mission. Yes, I'm restarting. Because there's no way he identifies me, calls me, and then now I have to track him down. No. Okay. Oh, does it... It
Here.
does this whole thing again.
Thanks.
Those men. Who are they?
Okay, how do I skip...
You need
There we
to
go.
find a way inside that bunker. Undetected access to the whole city. I could use a break right now.
There we go.
Who are you? If you can do that, you may be my way in. Tobias Frewer.
Alright, gotta watch this again. And then...
Well, somebody's been on that island recently. His
Oh my
name's
gosh, I
Tobias
gotta follow
Frewer.
her again.
Tobias was one of the CTOS
Alright.
pioneers until Bloom fired
Let's
him.
see...
The man is vraiment crazy, or on drugs, maybe both. He lives right near here. There's a homeless camp.
He's homeless?
He's got an underground shop hidden in there. DedSec goes there for some of the more rare hardware. You can't forget him. He's paranoid and won't talk.
I can be persuasive.
I'll let you do the talking.
You really want this place to be real, don't you?
It is real.
So you're buying into the legend.
Papa used to take me camping in Mont Tremblant. He'd always say we were looking for treasure. I didn't understand then that he was stealing from the cabins. Gold watches, tools. The look on his face when it was something special. Like one time, I found an old rusted coin with a regal emperor. He said it was an ancient Roman coin. Priceless. But he let me keep it. Said it was my door to a magic world. The whole Roman Empire. I am my father's daughter. Stars in my eyes.
Well, I hope this bunker's real too.
It's real.
Network. Police were able to secure the area within minutes.
Illegal immigrant. There's this guy over here.
There. That's where Tobias runs his shop. Mostly black market junk. Sometimes you can find rare schematics, if you're lucky. It's
Alright.
not there. What now?
Someone here knows how to reach him. I'm gonna have a look around.
Oh, I guess that's the
What
only
is
thing
it?
I can have.
I'm in the middle of a poker game. There's somebody at your shop. Well, it's closed. Wait, what do they look like? I don't know, man. Punk rock chick and then it's closed.
He's playing poker. I'll get them to deal me in. Poker game, huh? Let's see where you're hiding. There we go. fixers.
Hey, you're not gonna believe this. I finally got a lock on Frewer. I'm going to pick him up now.
There they are. They'll hunt him down fast. I need to stop them.
Alright, so we are going to...
You were
try
right.
and take
He's
him down.
paranoid. But I found him.
You want to go alone, don't you? All right. I'll meet you at the island.
Okay, this way. Come on, let me get closer so I can try and take him down. Closer, closer.
I need backup.
Boom.
Smash into him.
Got him. It says or escape, so I'm going to try and escape.
Hit him.
While I had to... Where'd he go? Where's the poker game? Sorry. Okay, so let's zoom. Is it over here somewhere? Where is it? Oh, I don't think I can do it while I'm escaping. Okay. It's controlling our minds, man. Gotta let the people know. Gotta wear our chrome helmets. Boop.
Shit, my car's wrecked. I'm done. Keep searching.
Okay.
See anyone? Think we lost the target?
Okay. I'm out of here. 3, 2, 1.
Okay, listen.
Got it.
Regroup.
Okay, what is this collectible? Oh,
We need to figure this out.
Okay. Time for a little poker with Tobias Frewer. He's the key to Claire's Island.
alright, and goes over here. Go over here, make sure it's unlocked. Climb this. Got that.
I need to tell you something. I've been thinking about this for a long time, and you know, we've known each other for a long time, and I love you. With all my heart, I really love you and want to be with you.
Matt, thank you. I love you too.
Really?
You're like my brother. Our friendship is so important to me. I could not jeopardize what we have for anything.
Oh yeah, totally. It's that's I didn't mean I meant friends too, you know.
Wow.
Because we're such good friends.
Such good friends.
That is crazy. Alright, okay. We will call it for this one, and I will try to do that poker game next time.